Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to the Web Application Penetration Testing and Secure Coding. This is the video number 15 and part 3 in a JavaScript Basics. In this video, we will see variables. JavaScript variables are known as the containers to store the data values. Let's see the variables in an action. This is our skeleton program. This is our script. To define JavaScript variables, we use var keyword. Okay, so let's define first variable var a equals 2, var b equals 43, var c equals 210. So this is how we define variables in a JavaScript using var keyword. So as we can see here, a stores the value 2, b stores the value 43 and c stores the value 210. Let's print this variable's value onto the web page. For that we will use id display document.get element by id display.inner html equals a. Let's give some break here. B, let's give some break here. C, semicolon. Save it, and as we can see, the values of the variable has been printed onto the screen. Another example, var num equals 3, var name equals Vikram, var pi equals 3.14. As we can see, JavaScript can handle multiple data types such as integer, string, float, etc. And by using the same get element by id, let's print those values onto the web page. So those value has been printed onto the web page. You can see here strings are written inside single or double quotes and numbers are written without the quotes. Now there are some rules to declare JavaScript variables. First one is variable name must be unique. Second one is variables can contain letters, number, digits, underscore and dollar sign. Variables are case sensitive. That means this name is different than this name. And the last one is variables cannot use JavaScript keywords such as if, for, switch, etc. That's it for this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button. Thank you.